What's up, you guys? My name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the battery inside the key fob on your Toyota Corolla. If the doors are not locking or unlocking when using the key fob, most likely the battery is worn out and needs to be replaced. Use a small flathead screwdriver to pry open the key fob cover. Make sure that the buttons are facing down so they won't pop out.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! SpongeBob, careful! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
Replace the battery with a CR 2016. Alright, and that's it, you guys. Hopefully y'all found this video helpful, and if you did, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.